Hello. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison if you're new. Look what just got me in the mail. This is my Beautylish LuckyBag. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna open this like this. It's gonna be great. So I'm literally cutting this open with you. I want you to see how excited I am. Ooh! So this is how it comes. This is what it looked like last year with different paper. And this guy, he should say like a story. Yeah. Lucky bags in the Japanese tradition. And it's got little hashtags to use. So last year, I was watching a lot of videos, seeing what a lot of other people got, so my anticipation built. This year, I wanted to be completely surprised. I have not seen a single Instagram post or sneak peek or anything of that matter. No videos, so I have no idea what kind of options are available in the Lucky Bag this year, so I'm pretty excited. So let's find out what's going on. Okay, so everything is wrapped in black. I can see there's a little rip right here. Ooh, that might be our point of entry of pulling stuff out. That sounds like a good idea, right? So this is like just folded behind, and then everything is inside of this black wrap. Beautylish always does a phenomenal job with their packaging. Watch I say that and something's broken. Okay, that crack is spaced away from me, so we're just gonna pull out one thing at a time and see what happens. Oh, Benefit mascara. They're real. I used to use this in high school. I don't know. Okay, that's alright. At least you're getting my honest reaction, right? That's, I wasn't expecting that, so that's that. That's that. Oh. Oh, number 2. This is Oribe Gold Lush Dry Shampoo. So, I'm always interested in trying a good dry shampoo. I got a finishing spray in this size from Oribe in my box last year. This is really cold. So, there's that. I'm already like, okay. Oh. There's a Wayne Gloss brush, a number 10. This is a number 16 that I got last year. And this one's still a fairly large eye brush for me, so this is going to be more of a, yeah, something like that. It's soft. Okay, so this I'm excited about. I'm already kind of being pissy, right? No, I'm not. I'm having fun. The reason why I was excited for Beautylish is because it's not everyday things that you see like at Sephora. So this is kind of my little, what? This, we'll try it. I'm always interested in trying a dry shampoo. That's fine. We'll figure that out. This I'm excited about. The handle's pretty thick. I'm excited about this. She's soft. It says coming soon. Beautylish coming soon. Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. Formulated with caffeine, pumpkin extract, bright and firm and depuff. Interesting. Oh, so this must be a new brand that is coming to Beautylish. Maybe they're already on the website. I'll have to look. I should look right now. Cool. Okay, Good Molecules. So it says coming soon. Sign up to learn more about our newest brand. So that's something that's not available yet. That's cool. We have something in bubble wrap and it's pink. Oh, it says Becca, another Sephora accessible brand. Am I having a tough time with my Beautylish box? Anybody watch my declutter video I just posted with the 2 Becca highlighters in it? This is the Prismatic Amethyst. I get one more item that available at Sephora. Oh my god. Shut up if this is what I think it is. Okay, I officially deem this to be a fail. Look, it's the Soft Glam palette. Y'all, what the fuck? I haven't even opened this yet. That's how kind of like pissed I am, I guess you could say. Like, legitimately pissed. I don't know. I don't mean to be pissed. Like, I don't want to make a negative video out of it, but last year was such a good experience because it was a lot of things that I hadn't tried. But to kind of see things almost look like Sephora, it's kind of weird. Look, I'm getting all flustered. Okay, so this is weird because I even like, I talk highly about these Lucky Bags. I really enjoy this. I love watching the videos. I'm curious now to go watch a few videos out there and see tra-la-la, how that goes. But I'm kind of shocked to see so much like accessible products in the Beautylish bag. What I really loved so much last year was how unique things were, or how inaccessible things were. So to recap, the Soft Glam palette, the Benefit They're Real mascara, Becca Prismatic Amethyst highlighter, dry shampoo from Orbe, the skincare, the new brand Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum, and then the Wayne Goss number 10 brush. There you go. That's what I got. I mean, realistically, do we want to talk about what I'm excited about? I like the brush. I'm excited about the brush. I'm cool with trying a new skincare line. And that's it. I've got 2 of these in my declutter that I just did. Doesn't this go half price in like Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty all the time? I don't know. And then this, I can go buy this any day of the week, and I have ABH palettes, and I don't know. I have all, I don't know. I was never interested in buying this palette. Man, what a letdown. So if I recommended that you should try a Lucky Bag and you got a crappy Lucky Bag as well, oh my god, I'm so sorry. We can still be friends. I'm sorry. All 6 of these items together are $225, which this is $25 mascara, which I know that goes on sale. I know that goes on sale. This is a $38 cheek brush. This is the smaller size of the dry shampoo, which is $22, I believe, on the Beautylish website. This is $38, which I feel like I've seen this on like promotional sales for pretty, I don't know, I'm not going there. This is $42. It's either $40, $42, $44. God knows, it's one of those prices. The whole takeaway is it's going to be a mystery. You know what you're getting yourself into, all that kind of jazz. Ultimately, it is a gamble on stuff. So I still feel like I'll probably participate again next year. I know that I'm going to be rehoming a lot of these things. I'm sorry this was not more exciting. I hope you liked this video either way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, even though this was kind of sad, please give me a thumbs up to make me feel better. That would be awesome. And subscribe to my channel while you're here. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.